Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you are doing great this afternoon. Today we are going to talk about correlation coefficient. So we will be working with this problem, which states there is a negative linear correlation of minus 0.8 between the number of overtime hours worked in a month and a person's self-reported happiness. Which of the following statements can be concluded about the relationship of overtime to happiness? Part A, 64% of the variation in a person's happiness score can be explained by a change in the amount of overtime the person works. Part B, 64% of the variation in hours of overtime worked can be explained by a change in happiness score. Part C, 80% of the people are less happy when they work overtime. Part D, 80% of the people who work overtime are less happy. So let's create some space. So let's keep it here. Okay, here we have to understand what is the negative linear correlation. Here, correlation coefficient correlation coefficient which is indicated by R is equal to minus 0.8 between the number of overtime hours worked in a month, which is your X or independent variable, and a person's self-reported happiness, which is Y. So self-reported happiness is Y dependent variable. Notice the correlation coefficient is negative. That means as the person's overtime hours worked increases, person's self-reported happiness score goes down. Negative relationship between X, the independent variable, which is the number of hours worked in a month, and Y, which is the dependent variable, in this case, self-reported happiness score. Okay, that being the case, let's move this a little bit more. So erase this. Okay, so what we need to find out is R square, which is called coefficient of determination. Determination is equal to R square, in this case minus 0.8 square, which is minus 0.8 times minus 0.8. Two minuses make it positive, so it is 0.64. That's the coefficient of determination. What does it mean? It means 64% of the variation in Y, which in this case is person's self-reported happiness score. Reported happiness score. "64% of the variation in self-reported happiness score can be explained by a change in X, which is the hours of overtime worked." So this matches with this explanation of R square matches with alternative A. So answer is A. And I will highlight this. So A is the answer. What does A state? So A states that 64% of the variation in person's happiness score, which is Y, the dependent variable, can be explained by a change in the amount of overtime hours person works, which is X, or independent variable. So I'll stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. That will motivate me to do more videos. So please share this video with your friends and then subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I'll be back next time with another important problem, so please do not forget to watch me tomorrow. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel, Math Science Topia, by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I have solved all kinds of statistics problems just for you in my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you later.